Hey Candy Kings and Queens, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in with your girl again. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about starting a lash line. Yes, honey. So if you would like to learn more about starting your own lash line, your own company, and looking on fleek, make sure you stay tuned. And welcome back. Okay, yes, honey, today is all about the lashes. It's all about that flutter, that fly away, that you know what to do. No, y'all know I'm always trying to do something business wise. I'm always trying to put y'all up on game. I'm trying my best to help everybody as much as I possibly can, because it's more than enough out there for us all to eat. The rest of 2019, 2020, and from here on out, baby, it's ours. You feel me? It's ours. Gonna claim it, because I'm claiming it, baby. It's mine. So let me show you guys an example or some samples of some of the lashes that I'm talking about that you can use in your particular lash line or your lash lunch or your lash company. Let me show you what they got. So you can start your own lash line, your own lash company. You can brand it and do whatever you like with it. Look at that. You got these. They got these. They got these that come with the tweezers already, so you can just basically have a full shop, a full setup. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Can you see it? Let me see. Yes, pretty, right? And a lot of times you can pick your own color to go in. There's also these cute little lollipop thingies. How cute, these cute little lollipops. Then you got the smaller packet. This one is a 9 lid, or it comes with 9 lashes in it total. And then you have, of course, your singles. Yes, honey, look at that. You see, all 25 millimeters and 27 millimeter lashes. Even the Au Naturals, baby, my favorite. Okay, these are definitely my faves. So yes, those are the lashes, honey, and of course there is a very inclusive list of all the lashes that they have available. I'll be sure to link the vendors down below so that you can go ahead and snatch you up a few, honey. Even if you don't want to start your own lash line, you're more than welcome to take the vendor and run with it. Do your thing, you know, live big, live your life, okay? Yes, I do have a lash line. I'm not worried about you going out there to them to do what you do, because boo, I'm gonna do me, okay? Mine are already in deck and they ready, okay? You gonna have to wait on them. But anyway, yes, seriously, if you already have a logo, that is a wonderful. If you do not have a logo and that's something that you need help with, yes, boo, I got you. You can go to fiverr.com. I'll be sure to link that down below as well. Or you can hit me up, girl. My husband is the best graphic designer ever, okay? And I'll be sure to give you a little code, a little discount code that you can use with him so he can hook you up for the low, okay? You will not be disappointed, trust me, okay? Another thing that you may want to think about is how you want to package your product. If you want to do custom packaging, a lot of the vendors will offer you those cute little flip up boxes, any kind of design. They have triangles, they have rectangles, they have circles, whatever, you name it, they have it out there for you, and it is available and ready for you. A lot of times the lashes will come already equipped and ready for you to just push them out, sell them, okay? If you don't want to do that, you're more than welcome to create your own. It's all about coming up with a creative way to advertise and a creative way to market yourself, okay? So just think of something nice and cool. Like, for example, I'm Candy, period, okay? So I, of course, would use candy. I am using candy. So take it and do it, flip it, you know, be sure to be careful of copywriting issues and things like that. Just make sure that you put your own little twist, your own little style on it. It's all about being cute with it, so it doesn't necessarily even have to be a theme. It could be just a color scheme. Just make it cute. You know, we love the cute stuff, honey. It's all about sparkles and all of that glittering and gold and beautiful stuff. You know what I mean? So yes, boo, you got this. I believe in you. Okay. Another thing that you want to have when it comes to starting your lash line is a way of advertising. Okay, so you need some business cards, you'll need some thank you cards, maybe, and you'll need a website, or you'll definitely need all of your social media. Okay, order you a couple, bring them in, ask friends, family, close relatives, whoever you can get to possibly advertise and market for you, you know, showcase so it can look so good and look so cute. Hey, do your own marketing if you can, you know, you can do your own little advertisement as far as like making sure it's cute and making sure the model is on fleek, okay? Because we know we gonna make sure we on point. So yes, other than that, I mean, that's pretty much all it is to it. It's as simple as one, two, three. You just want to get your product, you want to brand it or theme it, push it out, make a sale, and cash out. Just like that, okay? Yes, just like that. It's that simple, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you, okay? Again, everything is linked down below. And if you need more information or if you need more help, please feel free to hit your girl up, okay? I got the websites linked down below where you can reach out to me or you can email me. You know, I try my best to get back to you as fast as I can. And sometimes I'm just a little busy making these awesome videos. So just give me time to respond, okay? I got you, okay? Thank you so much, queens. I appreciate you stopping through and checking your girl out and hanging out with me. I hope that you found this information vital and helpful. And if you didn't and you know somebody who could use it, share it, boo. Honey, spread the love. Let them know what it is, okay? Thank you, love. See you later.